bath ourselves with it. We cook with it. We do everything around the house with it. Everything we use it for.
Can't bathe in there, you know, you can't do nothing without the water, you know. The water of itself stinks as ever.
We have a meeting with the residents, the Ministry of Health, and RADA. We warned them that it wasn't safe for drinking and other domestic uses. And we put up a sign. We remind them to not pollute the river and don't let the chemical go in the river.
Yes, the community have changed since the meeting. We boil the water and we throw bleach in it for sometime for bathing too.
We used to see like a lot of pampers in the river. Persons are throwing them now in the drum.